Everyone talks about ChatGPT, but it's not the best for research writing. There are AI tools in 2025 built for academic writing, and you probably haven't tried them. While ChatGPT is great for brainstorming, it struggles with structured academic writing. That is why I want to introduce to you AI tools designed specifically for students, researchers, and lecturers. I will break down how they work, their features, and practical examples you can follow right away. Hi, I am Pat, and on this channel we'll discuss educational technology and digital productivity tools. If you would like to learn more about teaching and learning, research, AI, and other digital productivity tools, please hit that subscribe button now and join our community so you never miss any new video. If you are ready, let's get started. Now, if I turn onto my computer, I am going to open Google. From Google, I will then enter this website, Co-Writer AI. That is cowriter.ai. Now, from the home page, we'll see various information such as this one: think and learn faster and accomplish a research in hours instead of minutes. Okay, so what they are saying is that we make writing and productivity easier with AI, meaning boosting your pace, keeping your voice in place. So there are other things here: AI detection proof, plug and play research, instant citation generation, thoughts accomplishment, bibliography, and so many other things. So this is the home page of Co-Writer. In a moment, you will see how this Co-Writer is used. Okay, now for us to start using Co-Writer, I am going to scroll all the way to the top. From here, I will then click on the start button. After that, it will require that I create an account. You can do that using any email address or with Gmail. Let me use a Gmail account. After signing in, you will be inside the Co-Writer interface. So I will skip this at this moment. The next thing I am going to do is to click on this new document. Immediately I click on new document, I will then click on start a new document. And it will present us to this environment. So it is now asking me to tell us what you are working on. So I am going to enter a brief description on what you are writing about. That is what I'm writing about. So I am going to use this prompt. Write an essay on the impact of artificial intelligence in remote learning, discussing its benefits, challenges, and future potentials. So what I will do here is to enable this so that it will give us outline. This is very, very important. Now I will click on open editor button. Once I do that, I will wait for it to load. So if you are using it for the first time, you will be seeing these tips here showing you how to use this. Okay, but we are going to remove it at this time. Here, this is the title. That is the topic of our topic as we have entered. And because we requested for outline, it has created these outlines here for us. You can see them. Okay, from here we'll see introduction, overview of artificial intelligence in education, benefits of AI in remote learning, personalization, enhanced engagements, automation of administrative tests, and all of that. You can also see here that we have challenges of implementing AI in remote learning. So these are the outline Co-Writer generated for us. Now for us to begin to write, this AI tool known as Co-Writer has started writing the introduction for us. What you will need to do is to read through, look at the introduction. AI is transforming remote learning and all of that. It offers personalized learning paths, and you continue to read. If you like what it wrote, all you need to do is to click this accept button. If you don't like it, you click on rewrite button so that it will write it again. Now I am going to click on this accept button. Once I click on it, it has accepted that. Okay, now while your cursor is there, it will also make further writing. Okay, you will need to read. Don't just accept anyhow. You read, click accept, then you can decide to continue from the previous writing, or you press enter 2 times in order to have a kind of paragraph. So I will just accept it here, click again, wait for it to generate another one for me. Once it is through, I will then accept it again, maybe close it from here, assuming this is where I want to end it. Then I will click here so that it will generate from this place. Do you see it? You don't need to do much thing, just click and it will generate for you. If you don't like the generated text, you click on this rewrite button and it will do it all over again. I hope you understand. So let's wait for it to rewrite it. You can see that. Okay, now where this thing gets interested is because of citation. I'm just clicking accept in order to accept the write-ups. Okay, now I may also decide to include citation. If you come up here, you will see that we'll have different options here. We'll have AI assistant, AI bypass, cite, text, images, and all of that. So we have been using AI assistant. If you don't want this text to be detected by AI detector tools, you can use this AI bypass. But I have videos on how to bypass AI tests. You can check the video links in the description box below. Now let's talk about cite. If you click here, then you will notice that this thing is changing. Let's wait for it to load. So you can see now we'll have different citations here. We'll have journal articles. This one is on simulation to tech science subjects. And we have personalized adaptive learning technologies and all of that. Okay, so anyone you want to include, all you will need to do is to position your cursor where you want it and click on cite, and it will immediately add that citation to your article. And if you want to read more about that particular article, you click on this open link and it will go and open it in a fresh tab so that you can go through it and read more about that particular citation. Okay, so this is how co-writer works. Again, depending on the article you are writing or the type of content you are making, you may wish to add images to your article or to your content. So if I press my cursor here and click on images, I will then have to choose whether I would like to import image from this computer or from stock image or embedded URL. So if you have a URL from any website, you can embed it here. But for this lesson, let us look for stock image. So I'll click here. Once I click, I will then search for anything. I am going to search for remote learning. After that, I wait for it to upload images that are related to remote learning. Okay, so here is our images on remote learning. You can choose any one of your choice. Let me choose this particular one. So after choosing the one I want, I will then click on import and wait for it to import. You can see it in our image. This is a stock image. How cool is this? Now, if you take a look at this particular environment, you will notice that the tests are no longer coming up because I am approaching my daily usage. So you will need to do what? To upgrade so that you can be using it however you want. How do we upgrade? Now let us look at pricing. If I click on this upgrade button, you will see that we'll have different prices here. You can choose to pay yearly, which is $11 per month, or you pay monthly, which is $20 per month. The ball is on your court to choose whichever plan that is okay for you. If you want, you can keep using it free of charge, okay? But it has daily limits.
I hope this video was helpful. Please, let's have your thoughts in the comment section below. Also remember to subscribe, like and share the video with your loved ones. If you still want to learn other use cases of ChatGPT, I have made a video that will guide you. The link to that video is in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.